Just 2 minutes. She gave me just 2 minutes, and I explaining all these things. So
Ma'am, Rajlakshmi ma'am, Prasanna sir. Kurumjari, namaste. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going for a housewarming party of our staff Kartikeyan sir. So let's see how this day turned out to be, and I am so excited to introduce some of my staff that you have not met. So let's see how the days turn out to be. This is Anita ma'am, Rajlakshmi ma'am, Prasanna sir, Vignesh sir, and our HOD ma'am. Hi guys, this is my colleague Vignesh sir. He is specialized in structural engineering, so he will do a quick explanation about some particular rooms. Let's see.
So this is the first bedroom that we have. We have racks over here for everything boxes, and this display by the roof. It's a very nice thing actually. We have proper ventilation, we have proper sunlight to keep the inhabitants happy. Yeah, you should not use this very much compared to what you have here because this will give you more energy and efficiency compared to what you're making from artificial. So this is a better position of the room. So let's go to this. Go there. Okay, so this is the second bedroom. This is the master bedroom that you see over here. Two windows giving proper ventilation. So very lighting. We also have a bigger bedroom size over here. Where also an attached bathroom, 7 by 4. This is the elevation that we have. So proper elevation here. Tiles, 2 by 4 tiles with the proper elevation. We have a common bathroom over here for the visitors, and you have some work you can do. And then we have a elaborate staircase over here, which goes to the top. And that's it. You have a grill gate, there antique door. So trying my best to explain all this. It's just 2 minutes. She gave me just 2 minutes, and I'm explaining all these things. So if there is anything wrong, it's okay.
So all I can say is that this home looks very homely and humble, and it's a wish from all of our side that you have a very pleasant stay in this house. And please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye.